If your Nissan Murano refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Data shows that 80% of infotainment connection issues are solved by simple software resets rather than hardware repairs. Let us walk through the diagnosis process to get your system back online. Start by testing a different high-quality cable, then toggle your phone's Bluetooth and remove the vehicle profile from your device settings. Often the issue is simply an outdated iOS version, a damaged USB port, or having Siri disabled on your iPhone. Try a soft reboot of the infotainment system by holding the power button until the Nissan logo reappears on the display. Try these software fixes first, but if the USB port is physically loose or damaged, professional repair is the necessary next step. As seen here, the vast majority of connectivity problems are solved by simply swapping your cable or adjusting phone settings. If all else fails, perform a full factory reset on the Murano's infotainment system, but remember this will clear all saved radio stations. Keep a genuine Apple cable in your glove box and use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the USB port of any lint or dust. Remember, technology is built to work, but it needs a clean and reliable connection to stay that way. If these steps fixed your connection, drop a comment below and subscribe for more Murano troubleshooting guides.